Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tools, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install Tumblr social app on your Android phone. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So we need to go Play Store, Google Play Store. So go to your Google Play Store, because you know that Tumblr is trending on the apps and Play Store, because most of the people, they are leaving Twitter and just come to the uh, Mastodon and Tumblr. So click here, Tumblr, and then you can see the apps here, and you can also seek the app review ratings, 4.6 ratings and 3 million people reviews. The size of this app 65 MB, and 100 million people downloaded this app. So this is old app, but a lot of users are there, so you can easily use this. It's free. So simply click on install button and wait for a second, because it takes time to install on a device. So 6.65 MB. So when it will finish installing, then it will be installed in your device. And in upcoming tutorial I will show you how to use Tumblr and how can you use this properly. So everything. So that's why you need to subscribe my channel and also give the like on this video. And if you face any problem, let me know in comment below. Okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching this tutorial.